Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into CircleCI, run automated build pipelines step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the CircleCI website. In the top right corner, locate the login button and click on it. You will be directed to the login page. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password in the respective fields. Ensure your email address is spelled correctly to avoid login issues. Once you've entered your credentials, click the Login button. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via the email sent to you. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button instead to create one. You can sign up using a GitHub or Bitbucket account, or with your email. After successfully logging in, you will be taken to the CircleCI dashboard. From the dashboard, you can set up new projects or view existing ones. To start a new project, click on the Projects tab on the left sidebar. Find the repository you want to configure for CircleCI. Click on the Set Up Project button next to your chosen repository. Follow the prompts to configure your CircleCI settings. Once your project is set up, you can trigger builds manually or automatically. To run a build, simply commit changes to your codebase. CircleCI will automatically detect these changes and start the build pipeline. You can monitor the progress of your build on the dashboard. Check for any errors in the build logs if needed. Once your build is complete, you will see the results reflected on the dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.